My name is Andre. I'm an industrial engineer at Afrimat. We drive operational efficiency quite hard currently. I'm here to tell you how one system can cost you millions or it could save you millions. In terms of the partnership with Ava, we've been in partnership for at least 4 years. We're tracking about 300 assets on about 25 sites, and we're still rolling out. So there's quite a few sites still to be added. I want to introduce you to the mine where we did this study. We originally acquired the mine out of business rescue, so we got a very low morale, very inefficient mining experience, which we had to turn around. And that is where the two management teams come in. I always enjoy looking at that picture because that's where we started. There's about 16 ADTs standing in line for, I think, 2 excavators. And when we spoke to them about it, you know, it is as efficient as a mine can be. I mean, it's obvious. They're working very hard on efficiency, so how can it get more efficient? They believed that their efforts was really enough. They didn't understand why we needed to get any better. They really mined on gut feel because they've been in the industry for 40 years or more. So yeah, changing them was where the challenge was going to lie. And then, I mean, in terms of the data, they were data skeptics. If they went down to the site, they would do a time study. It would come in at like half of what Ava would say because Ava averages, whereas when the manager is looking at you, you know, always looks a lot better. So then from there, we unfortunately reached the point where we said, you know, if you can't change the people, change the people. So we sent in another team to kind of take over. We introduced them to Ava off-site specifically to teach them what Ava does. We showed them our iron ore mines, which is running extremely efficiently so that they understand what an efficient mine is. And yeah, they really took the data to heart. They practiced data-driven leadership. And yeah, it's important to highlight the fact that it was the same fleet, it was the same pit, it was the same mine, same challenges straight through. Somehow the one just managed, the other one didn't. And this is the exciting part. I get to show you guys my graphs. The whole reason we do this is to reduce costs. So what you're seeing here in red is the amount of tons moved every month, as well as the rand per ton in the line that you see there. So we increased our tonnage by almost 50% using the same fleet, and we thus reduced the rand per ton with almost 50% the same way. So there was major gains, and I mean, once again, you can see there was a bit of chaos before until there was a new management team implemented, and a very controlled descent from there. So you can see very good gains, various things. So yeah, that's 2 teams, like I said, the exact same mine, exact same fleet. So in conclusion, IoT technologies such as Ava can really significantly improve your operational efficiency, but the success is determined by the level of adoption. Technology alone will not improve your efficiencies. Installing Ava, you're going to, like I said at the start, you're going to waste millions because you install a system and it's not going to make a difference. The only difference is what the humans make. So when you get them to buy in, when they actually use the data and when they actually follow through is when you really see the operational efficiencies improve.